In this episode, we're going to head to the beautiful beach town Merissa, stopping along the way to see the incredible stilt fishermen and catching our first Sri Lankan bus. We are the Elson family, Joe, Tegan and 3-year-old Oliver. 12 months ago, we packed up our apartment and sold our possessions to travel full-time. Join our family for our travels and adventures across the world.
So, on today's family adventures, we are going to go to 1, beep beep, Merissa, 2, the Fisherman on Stilts, Coconut Tree Hill, Secret Beach, potentially Falp as well beach, which has got some really interesting bathing pools right on the beach. Sorry for the sneeze. But first, we're going to try and get our first ever Sri Lankan bus. We've never done this before. We tried getting on the bus and with not much success. And a tuk-tuk as well. And a tuk-tuk and a bus. We'll probably get all 3. Let's see how we get on. Now, we have never got a bus before. We tried getting on about 8 or 9 buses with no luck. So, basically wouldn't let us on. We're not sure why. Maybe the beautiful, lovely Sri Lankan people watching this will be able to help us because we're a little bit confused. But anyway, we're gonna look. I think we're looking for a 2 and bye. That's right. There's lots of bikes, isn't there? A 2. Oh, it tricked me. No bus here. Right, I need to look at Google now and work out where we're going. I'll tell you about our destinations in a little bit.
So we think we found the bus stop. I've seen people standing outside of the one-stop supermarket, and apparently, according to Google, it is. We're looking for the 210 and the
2 or 10 or 26.
Alright, let's keep our eyes peeled. Oh, here comes the bus.
So normally we see the bus every 2 seconds.
I see one.
Oh, we see one. Let's have a look.
See?
Oh, right, Betty. Let's go. Woohoo! Oh, we get on front or the back?
Hi, is it Merissa? Yeah, get on, come on. Oh, very
Still
busy.
moving. Woohoo! Oh man. Right, Betty. Wow.
Filming?
Yeah.
Right.
Hello.
Hello.
Our first Sri Lankan bus. We don't know what we're doing.
Woohoo!
Do I need to be worried he's texting while driving? Yeah. Thank you. It's naughty. Woohoo.
Okay, Skinny?
So,
Wow.
our first bus ride in Sri Lanka.
Why do we always seem to pick buses that just drive like lunatics?
I loved it. I thought it was incredible. I thought it was utterly amazing.
I mean, it was an experience. Ollie, how did you feel? Ollie felt a little scared. He didn't like the beeping.
No, it was quite intense for our first ride. It was definitely not like a red London bus. We paid 200 to go from Unawatuna to the Stilt Fisherman, just to see, which I think is slightly over what we should have. Okay. Let us know, but yeah, hey, again, Sri Lankan people are lovely, so they gave Tegan and Oliver a seat, otherwise that would have been even more fun.
Yeah.
a 6 foot on a bus. I had to crouch a bit, so it's nice to get stretching. And we're now at where the stilt fishermen are. The only issue is we may have picked the wrong day, the wrong time. Maybe it's Monday to Friday. Maybe they come out in the afternoon. I'm not sure.
You were trying to see.
But as you can see, empty fishing stilts, no fishermen to be seen. It's still incredibly beautiful though, so very happy to be here.
Do you want to ask him again? Are you the fisherman?
Are you a fisherman?
Yeah. What's your name?
Oliver.
Oh.
What fish do you catch here?
Yeah.
What fish do you
This
catch?
ma'am, sardine. Where you see? It's a lot
Oh,
of fish.
yeah. The little sardines swimming in the water.
Wow.
Sardine?
Yes, sardine.
Sardines.
You know sardine, very
Wow.
small fish.
Yeah. How do you catch them?
Yes, like this. It's a area have many.
Wow.
Lot of have there.
And then you catch and you sell?
Yes, but sardine is also selling, ma'am. But it's a village people also come.
Oh,
But
okay.
Very fresh
Yeah.
fish.
Okay, for fish. Wow.
So do you now make more money from sardines or tourists? Tourists?
Now,
Catch a tourist.
yes. Tourist people are very quickly.
No worries, man. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool. Like, why not? Why wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't you?
Ollie, don't put my dress up, buddy. What do you want to ask him?
Are you a
But
fisherman?
now it's very small.
Have you met a fisherman before?
You haven't met a fisherman before?
No, your first fisherman.
Oh, Shushu's gonna not be happy with that.
You are from?
Australia and England.
Ah.
Yeah.
Daddy and mommy.
Yeah. And where are you from, Ollie?
For your hockey.
You like that? Boys, come.
So we've negotiated with this very cool gentleman here. We're gonna get 4 fishermen to magically appear on the stilts, like they were just there when we turned up. They were just fishing and we just turned up for the video for 1,500 rupees, which I think is a very fair amount. Hey, these guys got to earn a living. What are they? Are they pineapples?
No, no.
No. Oh, what are they? What fruit is that? Is that fruit? Can you eat it?
No, no, eat.
No eat.
No.
Ah.
Eating maybe some quickly diet.
Oh, really? If you see a pineapple looking tree, don't eat it. It's poison. Hang on. Where's my... Is she trouble? Trouble? Or good? Or like this one, like little monkey?
Yeah.
Fine, run,
Very
take the
quickly.
food.
Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah. Ollie, are you a monkey?
No.
No.
He is 3.
Ollie, this man here has a baby too, and she is 2.
2 years old.
All right, let's go. Yeah. Oh, amazing. Good morning. Hello. Amazing. So these guys are trying to catch sardines, so little tiny fish. And we have just paid 1,500 rupees for the privilege of taking this incredible photo, but hey, it is absolutely beautiful. And these guys got to earn a living, you know, catching tiny little sardine every day. Why not? It's beautiful though. Look at this scenery, it's amazing.
Just caught a fish. Awesome. Wow.
Amazing.
What are they doing?
They're doing something.
Are they fishing?
No, like
No?
they have hats on.
They do, yes.
They have fishing ones.
They do.
Mommy, look.
You won't touch?
Do you want to touch it? No.
See?
Ah, you caught it.
Fish.
The guys all work here during the day, and at night time, this is their home up here. So we'll go up. He said we can have a closer look, so we'll head up and have a little look. So they made it look really beautiful, but they sleep here every single night.
There we are. Like, you can see the tourists coming down negotiating. I don't think they want to pay, which is a bit of a shame because, hey, they gotta earn a living. So if you do come down, you know, give them your $2-3, please. Not a big deal.
See, you also see.
Wow. And
Very
do
big.
you see your family every day? Yeah.
I have 2 babies.
Yeah.
This is 8 years.
8
2
and 2.
girl and boy.
Oh,
We
shy.
film him so much.
Oh, here's your next bus. Wow. Yeah.
Also Chinese people.
Ah,
Yeah.
You know Chinese?
Yes.
What do you know? Ni hao?
Ni hao.
Ni hao?
Xie xie.
Oh, wow. Joe teaching them naughty words.
It's idiot.
Chagua.
Yeah. It's like, not good idiot, bad idiot. Alright. I'll jump on the back, yeah. That's what he probably did last time. Woo! Moving fast. Oh, we have seats. On our second bus.
We're pros now.
We're now heading to Merissa. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Showing the people to shout. Our second bus ride of the day.
I feel like we're professionals now. We knew when to get on, when to get off. It was easy.
We've met some wonderful people in Sri Lanka.
Oh, and dog.
We've also got some wonderful puppies that just want to be friends. They have chased me a few times running as well, but our next destination is Merissa.
Yay!
Yay! And we're gonna start at the beach, which first glimpse looks beautiful. It's probably taken us probably half an hour over and all, 2 15-minute journeys down or 2 20-minute journeys down from Moona Matuna. Yes. Yeah, get comfy, hey. First impressions, beautiful beach. We're gonna go have a little look around, explore.
Looks clean, really clean.
Yeah, and there's some really famous spots here. So there's Parrot Rock, Secret Beach, and
Coconut
Coconut Tree
Tree.
Hill,
Okay.
which is where our new friends from Holland, hello if you're watching, we're going to go and reenact their engagement. They got engaged here last week.
And we found a shell.
Oh, and show the camera the shell. Maybe spin it around. Show them the purple. Yeah, we got a beautiful purple shell. All right, let's go explore. Breakfast by the beach. Hello. Wonderful, thank you. Hi, I'm gonna film you, filming me. Not sure about swimming here because of some of those waves, but there's definitely surfing going on, and I think over there maybe a little bit more calmer, probably hidden by that rock, protected by the rock, but a beautiful beach.
We have got to Parrot Rock, so we're going to walk over and climb up. So it looks like the tide has come in and it's I think waist deep, so we're trying to work it out whether we need to go and get changed to be able to get across.
So first mission. Yeah. Turtle. Ooh. Ooh, Daddy's getting wet. Woo. Ooh. It's quite deep. Ow. Probably. Oh. Yeah, it's gonna be. I think we go out there. That's why I think we're going. So, take two. We went, started wading across the deep. So I'm very wet now. I should have probably took my t-shirt off. But actually, this little sandbank here is actually very shallow. Not much of a current. So this is actually quite easy. Oh dear. Luckily it's 30 degrees. And we made it! Yay! Woohoo! We're now going to go across up these steps. These quite narrow steps. A little bit windy up here, but not too bad. Then we've got to go across the rickety bridge. Whew. This will be fun. Rickety. It's pretty, for what is a bamboo, essentially a death trap. Right. Okay. Now, you come here. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Did we have a trap? It felt like a trap. That was some of the bamboo is a little bit soft. But let's hope this is worth it, Adventure Boy.
Adventure Boy.
Hey, Crow.
Hi.
So there's Mummy up there. Look at it. Incredibly beautiful view. We do have some storms coming in. Look at that black cloud. So let's be quick.
We can go down.
We could go down, yeah. We could go all the way down.
So we go down there?
Oh, do you want to do some climbing?
No.
You want Daddy to do the climbing?
Yeah.
Right.
Super strong.
Don't feel super strong, Arlie.
Yeah. Daddy?
Yeah.
We can go down here.
We could. Do you want to go down there?
Okay.
And then
Yeah.
we've got these beautiful flat rocks that jet out. Let's see if we can spy Mummy.
No, crabs.
Loads of crabs, huge! Wow. There's Mummy. Can she see us? Do you think she'll wave at us?
Maybe she can see us, Daddy.
I don't. No, what do you reckon? What do you think's a good shot? Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Back up this hill.
The way it's going to get up this high, come to Parrot Rock.
Did you like it?
Yeah,
Was it an adventure?
yeah.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
So there's anything. And then you have to put me down, and then you have to jump out.
Did we do lots of
then
climbing?
You have to jump, like a lunatic.
I've just forgotten as well. I've got Ollie's sunglasses on, and I've forgotten. Oops. They look cool though. They look better on Ollie though, don't they?
Bye.
Is this there's the fisherman. He knows the route. Hello. How are you? Ah, are you fishing? Oh, this way. This way? Follow you. Ah, yeah, I see. Thank you. Thank you very much. Are you going to now fish? Fishing? Oh, we missed it. Oh. I might come back. Thank you. Amazing. Good luck with your fishing.
How was it?
The view was incredible. It was a real adventure for me and Ollie. The bridge was a little bit rickety, so maybe wouldn't suggest going over with a toddler, but Ollie is a little venture by now, so we took it nice and slow and nice and steady, and did call it the Death Bridge a few times because
And that's right.
yeah, it
Death
was
Bridge.
one,
Right.
you know, I think if you're a little bit uneasy on your
This big.
a little bit uneasy on your feet, then don't do it. But I felt pretty secure with it, so it was okay. But the other side's beautiful, nice flat rocks. Yeah, really cool experience. So definitely recommend doing the wade through Parrot Rock. Just remember to bring
Very
wet clothes.
little.
Yeah, or very little because you want to be able to get across. And just get across with your flip flops if you want to go to the fountain. And put your swimmers on because you are going to get wet.
So let's head
That
into
sign going, Mummy.
that saying where the surf school is, and you can get surf lessons, sea sun surf. So I think we're going to head into Merissa now, maybe find a spot of lunch and explore the little town before we head over to the other side, which you can see over there, Coconut Hill. How am I going to get on this?
Gentlemen.
Thank you. Oh God!
Jump a bit. Spider.
Oh my God, there's a crab sneaking up with Daddy. No.
Hello. So we are at Turtle Paradise, which is just between Coconut Hill, which is over there in the distance. On your right you have Parrot Rock, just over the next bay. And because you've got this break, there's actually quite a lot of turtles in here, which you can go and snorkel with. Super reasonable, 500 rupees for an hour. Really, really good. Not expecting that at all. We haven't gone because, well, to be fair, we got chatting to a lovely couple from Switzerland. So we've run out of time. But they went snorkeling across and saw a couple of turtles and had a really good time. So would recommend it.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy Coco.
Daddy Couple.
About to start raining.
So just got to the top of Coconut Tree Hill. guess what? There's a hill with coconuts, trees. It's gonna have to be a brief tour because it's about to absolutely chuck it down.
As we've got here, it has just started to rain, hasn't it?
Hill,
Hill trail.
Coconut Tree Hill.
coconut hill trail.
That'll do. Close enough. So just walking back from Coconut Hill, but we've been rained off. Play has stopped.
Now we're running.
Now we're running down the hill.
Come
Oh,
on.
this way. It's a very beautiful spot, but we could only be there for a couple of minutes. And we're just navigating now the very muddy paths back down. And I think we'll get a tuk-tuk to, I don't know where, maybe Merissa.
Out
I would suggest
to home.
to home, apparently.
That's right.
Turn right.
We can take shelter under. Nice.
So we stopped for water and then we ended up getting a tuk-tuk. Yeah, seems to be 1,000 up the hill. Tuk-tuk traffic jam.
Go fast! Then you can do it,
This is, I'm not sure you can see it on camera, but this is a very, very steep hill. You can probably hear the tuk-tuk struggling. Whoa. Hi!
Yeah.
So all the tuk-tuk drivers saying 1,000 up, 500 down. Now I know why. Ollie, what do we say? Go, go, tuk-tuk!
Go, top, top.
And we are
Okay.
here.
To took the damage.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, no worries,
Yes.
no worries.
Am I
Cool.
waiting?
You waiting?
Yeah.
We'll be 15, 20 minutes, okay?
Yeah. This
Yeah.
one my to took.
You got there, yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Okay, coming.
You turn around.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Bye, tuk-tuk. Right, once you get to this path, we're gonna wander down to the secret beach.
So we've just arrived. We're culling through, I think, a hotel. Oh, wow, this is really nice. Hello, this is the secret beach bar. Oh, wow. This is amazing.
Good spot for a beer.
Yeah. Wow. This is really, really cute. The rain is coming? Yeah. Oh, okay. Quick photos, rain. Thank you. Wow, this is beautiful. This is a very secret beach, isn't it?
That's why we go secret. But
Yeah.
many more people see.
Yeah.
I'm
Again.
on a boat.
This is not gonna make the most beautiful YouTube footage.
Yeah.
We maybe should have come here first. Because this is, I can imagine this being absolutely incredible. It was nice and sunny. And now we have rain. Hey puppy. So we've just been to Secret Beach, but the weather has unfortunately turned. So it's a very, very quick visit, but it will look absolutely beautiful.
Really
Hi.
high.
Oh, jump in, Ollie.
We jumping in.
Jump in. Well, that concludes our little tour of Merissa, Parrot Rock, Secret Beach, Turtle Bay, and Coconut Tree Hill. And don't forget the fishermen on stilts, because they were
amazing.
that was probably my highlight of the day.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. I'm glad
Cool.
we did that.
That and Parrot Beach.
Yeah.
The beach was really, really nice. Turtle Bay was a nice beach.
Very
But now
cool.
we're drowned rats
Waiting in
and
the rain for the bus.
waiting for the bus.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Oh man.
Thanks for watching. Click and subscribe to continue following our journey as we travel across the world.
And subscribe.
See that?